check in now with Zach in the Backyard Weather Center. Almost, I want to say, a milder day today, Zach.
Yeah, made it into the low 50s, and that's not necessarily a warm day by any stretch, but when you compare it to last week, where the highest day all week long was 36 degrees, 51 felt pretty good today. Let me show you those numbers. The morning low was still real cold. It was 24 this morning as much of the area headed back to school for the first time, at least around the city of Richmond and Chesterfield and Henrico. 51 was our high this afternoon. An above normal high temperature for a change of pace, and it's going to be a very short-lived warm-up because colder air moves back in tonight into tomorrow. Right now it's 45, it feels like 40. We have a west-southwesterly wind at 9, and other temperatures out there are mostly still in the 40s, but quite a few spots have dropped into the 30s. It's 38 in Tappahannock and Kilmarnock, down to 33 already in Petersburg. Let's check out the view through our Sky Tracker camera. Just a couple clouds out there, big bright full moon as well. We'll update you on the snowfall tally so far for this season. Again, the first storm brought us officially 3.5 inches of snow. The second storm, 3 inches, so we're up to 6.5 on the season. Again, that eclipses the last 2 years, even the last 3 years, and we're knocking on the door to 2020, 2021. Cold front, this is the first front. There's actually going to be 2 of them that move through. This first one will drop our temperatures for tomorrow, about 10 to 12 degrees from today's highs. The second one just going to kind of reinforce that colder air. It's cutting through Iowa and Nebraska right now, and you can see the temperatures drop into the 30s behind this initial front. Behind the second one, this single digits, Green Bay over toward Minneapolis. Lows tonight, low to mid 20s. Tomorrow's going to be a colder day. Same kind of temperatures in the morning, but we're just not going to get the warm up in the afternoon like we had today. A high only 40 degrees here in Richmond. Many areas hitting about 40. Most of the day in the afternoon, temperatures will be in the 30s. And with a little bit of a breeze, the wind chill not going to get very much above freezing for tomorrow. So heavy coat day for tomorrow. Cold front will continue to move south and east. Skies will be mostly clear tonight. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. Here comes the second front. Now, there'll be a little bit of energy with this front as it moves through, and it could trigger a few snow showers tomorrow night through central Virginia on into the northern neck and middle peninsula. So this is about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Could have a few snowflakes around. Sunshine on Wednesday, breezier on Wednesday. The wind chills will actually stay in the 20s during the day on Wednesday. The actual highs will make it only into the mid and upper 30s. Okay, and while that's cold over the next few days, it's nothing like what we could see early next week. It's not set in stone, but all of the medium range models are indicating a blast of talking about Arctic Siberian air coming this way. Now this in here is the first shot of cold air coming in next 2 days. And as we get into the weekend, we'll actually warm up a little bit. But here it comes, and this is, again, Saturday at 5 o'clock, head south and east, and this is next Monday, a week from today. This would result in some temperatures here in the northern plains and Great Lakes that do not get above 0. And here in the mid-Atlantic, it would result in high temperatures next Tuesday and Wednesday that don't get out of the 20s. So really, really cold stuff potentially headed this way. Again, it's beginning to look more and more likely, saying nothing of the chance for some snow, which is still in the cards potentially as well next week.